Abstract nouns.
Abstract nouns are names of things which cannot be recognized through our five senses: sight, hearing, touch, taste, and smell.
These exist only in the mind. Feelings, ideas, events, qualities, relationships, conditions, and states of being are some abstract nouns. Anger, fashion, beauty, independence, childhood, fear, success,
Happiness,
joy,
thirsty,
sadness,
confusion,
dedication,
pain, future, courage, life.